Hey guys, JFBoosted here, and today I got my boy Jose, and we're gonna be fixing his exhaust problems.
Problems? Too quiet. Look at this.
What is that?
Open it up, dude. Probably the only AWE ST in the Bay Area right now. Took me 2 months.
Holy shit, is cat back or what?
Yeah. Here's this shit, bro. AWE tuning track edition right here. Pretty sick.
Oh shit.
It's gonna be crazy.
Nice, man. You guys, we're gonna be fixing this Focus ST right here. Let's hear the exhaust note for now. Alright. So we're currently jacking up the whole car right now. My boy says it will take less than an hour, which I doubt. Usually it takes more than 4 hours. But let's get to it. You guys, so we're by the tire right here. We're gonna be cutting this factory weld right over here. And then I'm gonna cut it with this. So I pray to Jesus nothing flies in my face, but yeah, we're gonna be cutting it, and then after that it's easy, right?
Bolt-ons.
Alright then. Alright you guys, so we used a big blade, a 7-inch blade, and we cut it down. Cut the pipe off, so now we're gonna remove the rear end, then we're gonna remove this pipe right here. It should take about 30 minutes. You're set. Jose, what bolts do we remove now?
We have to remove the hangers.
Alright, so the front hangers and we're done?
Where is it? For the back part?
Yeah.
Where's the hanger? There's a hanger right here. You have to like jiggle it out.
Alright.
And there's a hanger over there.
And that's all?
Yeah, just for the back, that's it.
Oh shit, that's easy. Alright, let's do it. Hey guys, we removed the hangers. Literally, these big red ones over there. Literally took us 10 seconds to take it down. Now we gotta deal with this issue, slipping it out
of there.
So, keep you guys updated. Yeah, so we cut that pipe there. That was right where the muffler was at. It was just complicated to remove the whole pipe that I cut off from back there to remove it in one piece. So I did a second cut right next to the muffler, and then I took out the muffler, then I took out the pipe, sliding it out, which was easier. And now I'm gonna record it how it sounds straight pipe. Woo! Hit it! Damn, smells like fumes, bro. Alright you guys, so we are now removing that cross member right there. No way, AWE tuning gives you a freaking lollipop. Alright you guys, we're finally gonna put the mid pipe on. So you guys, we finally removed the middle of the mid pipe, but we did have to remove the cross member here. All the bolts are literally 15 millimeters. Even the mid pipe bolts are 15 as well. And don't forget to remove a grommet, that hanger that's holding the mid pipe. So what is this, Jose? The first what?
Could be the first ST with AWE track edition exhaust in the Bay Area. No one else runs it.
Oh yup.
Yeah.
How long did it take us?
Like an hour and 30 minutes.
So we finally mounted this mid pipe, and then I put the crossbar. It's basically, watch the whole video in reverse. Just kidding, I didn't really record removing this. But yeah, they gave you some not really good fitment bolts, honestly. But you know, whatever works. Hopefully I get no exhaust leak, because the flanges on the mid pipe isn't really the same size as the catalytic converter. Anyway, so now we're over here gonna install the back section, then we're gonna install the straight pipe no muffler tips. So what are you doing right now, dude?
Just putting this, whatever the fuck it's called.
Cross member. And then you just put that.
Tighten this clamp. It's in the hanger. You put the back section.
So that's basically the pipe, and then the dual tips right here?
Yep.
Live, man.
Fat 4-inch tips.
Holy.
Look at that. Yep. Pass the test.
So you guys, my boy's finally clamping her down, and here's his exhaust tips. I guess we should help him clamp that down too to make it faster. So I'm gonna get those clamps. Alright you guys, I need to go, so we're finally done with the installation. Literally took us an hour and 40 minutes to install. If you guys loved the video, please give a like and thumbs up and subscribe. Yee! Alright, so I'd like to thank Jose over here for giving me that experience installing his ST, because he could have done it at home if he wanted to, but you know, now he experienced dual tips, 4-inch dual tips right here. So start it up, bro. Turbo.
Deep as fuck. That's what I wanted.
Looks nice, bro. Looks nice.
That's sick, dude.
AWE exhaust.
I'm happy with it.
Alright. Reviews?
Coming soon. Stay tuned.
It's freaking sick, man.
First in the Bay Area.
Alright, you guys, I'm gonna be heading out now because I'm a little late to pick up my parents. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching my channel. Like I said, have a great day, good night, good morning, and thanks for watching the video.
Damien.si. Let's say 53.
Justin.st on Instagram.
Oh, yup.